Welcome to Magitools. Here's how you resize photos and elements. First of all, let me drag and drop a random photo from Canva's photo library into our project. Now to resize that photo, just hover over one of the corners and you will see that double arrow, and then just move your mouse to get the photo to your desired size. Now with elements it works exactly in the same way. Let me head over here to elements. Now I'm gonna choose this random element here, drop it inside of our project. Head over to one of the corners of the element, and then I can simply resize the element to my liking. Now in Canva you can obviously also resize your whole design, so I can resize my whole project basically. To do so, head over here to Resize, and in my case I have a custom size here, 1000 by 1000 pixels, but if I would like to change that, I can simply take that option here, change it to something like 1500 by 1500, and then simply click on Resize. Now when I will click on download here, you will see that the size here has successfully been changed to 1500 to 1500 pixels. Instead of that size, I can also change to whatever else I would like to. For instance, I could change that maybe to 1000 by 2000 pixels, click on Resize, and now you can clearly see the difference in your project. Now, if you're working on a graphic that you would like to publish in different sizes, instead of just going to resize and then click here on resize, it's a good idea to click copy and resize here, and that will create a new project. So if you would like to have pictures in different sizes because maybe you're uploading it as a featured image in a blog post, but also need a Pinterest image in another format, then you can simply use this copy and resize function here to create a second project, and like this use different sizes for the same graphic or design. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.